Question: which type of denication is found in amphibian? Answer: homodont. Next question: the algae rich in proteins and used as food by space travel is? Answer: cholera and Sprengula. Next question: the tallest gymnosperm is? Answer: Sequoia redwood tree. Next question: three chamber heart cold-blooded external fertilization and indirect development is seen in? Answer: frog. Next question: agar is commercially obtained from? Answer: Gelidium and Gracilaria. Next question: coloroid roots having association with antofixing bacteria are found in? Answer: Cycas. Next question: which of the following is incorrect about Porphyria? Answer: point A, it is solitary and colonial organism. B, majority live in sea and some live in freshwater. And C, most of them are asymmetric. All of these for Porphyria is incorrect. Next question: select the total number of organisms from the following which are mollusca. Answer: these are 5 number only total which are mollusca. Question: the unique character of sponges is? Answer: conocyte or collarcelline, the spongicle and the canals. Next question: dominance of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B peronoids and starch as stored food are found in? Answer: members of chlorophysis. Next question: first class of vertebrate which are fully adapted for terrestrial life is? Answer: reptila. Next question: chlorophyll and grass green due to dominance of pigment. Answer: chlorophyll B A. Next question: the character possessed by all sponges are? Answer: hermaphrodite. Next question: which are correct for gymnosperm? Answer: A, the leaves in gymnosperm can withstand extreme temperature, humidity and wind. And point number 2, microspore are produced in microspongia. And third point is they include medium or tall sized tree and shrubs. Next question: select the incorrect matching. Answer: lozilo is flyting fish is incorrect matching. Question: devilfish is called? Answer: octopus. Next question: the organism which contain chlorophyll A and P cup-shaped chloroplast and is unicellular is? Answer: Salimodomes. Next question: water path is sponges is? Answer: Posita, spongicle and oscarl. Next question: gymnosperm. Answer: are naked. Seed plants have taproots, are heteropores. Next question: unsegmented triploblastic equivalent is? Answer: Pila. Next question: limbless amphibian is? Answer: Ichthyophis. Next question: select the correct matching. Answer: pair A is matched with 5 and pair B is matched with 2 and pair C is matched with 4 and pair D is matched 1 and pair E is matched with 3. Question: naked seed plants are? Answer: gymnosperms. Next question: mentally cavity is a site of? Answer: excretion respiration. Next question: skin is moist and thympum representing ear is found in hyla frog ichthyophales. Next question: green algae are kept in? Answer: chlorophyscis. Next question: member of phylum Proform are commonly known as? Answer: sponges. Next question: in gymnosperm the myclochric association are found in? Answer: penis. Next question: cell is? Muscles is? Answer: internal, external and cell is absent. Next question: select the total number of organisms from the following which are sessile. Answer: only 3.